Hi, I'm Colin Nuchteren from Notilyze. We are a data analytics company collaborating mostly with SAS, and we have been working with a large cheese factory in the Netherlands to do a challenge for the SAS Hackathon. Well, the production of cheese comes with a lot of data from the quality of the cheese, but also during the process. There are a lot of machines that are actually producing a lot of data every second, and we try to combine the data to optimize the cheese production process, and this way we can help the cheese technologists to do their work better and reduce the amount of waste, but also the amount of energy that's used, and trying to produce more cheese with the same amount of milk. There's so much data that we need a platform that's capable to ingest the data, analyze it, and create the machine learning models, but also produce the final results and send them back into the machines that the operators are using within the factory. And SAS is extraordinarily capable to provide that platform with the SAS VIA environment. Well, we actually were able to build the whole process. So we made more advanced dashboards than we already had. We did the modeling using machine learning in the SAS Model Studio. And we also created an API using intelligent decisioning to come up with the integration that we can use and send the results back to the factory. So we're very proud of our team. Well, these hackathon challenges always provide an opportunity for our team to learn and figure out new solutions within SAS, or come up with a different challenge that they are used to. And we were also able to get along some new team members to deepen their knowledge of SAS and learn a lot about how to collaborate with a large customer and also within our own team.